Hey guys, I live up here in a volcano. There's something I saw today. I'm trying to get it. It's right there. See that groove? Oh, it looks like somebody's butt or something, like lips kissing. You know what? I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before today. And I know that they found out that our islands produce a solid gold. And this is a volcano that I live in. So I thought I'd give you I don't know why. I'm sorry. I'm trying to move back out so that you can see the whole thing, but for some reason. Anyway, that's Mount Ka'ala. That's the highest mountain on the island right there. And this is a Hawaiian homestead. Why is it not coming out right? Well, maybe when I produce it, it will. Let's see. Maybe I'm supposed to tell you I love you. Okay, there we go. All right. This is a volcano that I live in. The name of the volcano is Waianae. And that whole edge is a... Look at that groove over there. You see it? It's right up there. You can see their shadow. I gotta get me a what do you call it? A drone. Somebody send me a drone. I don't have a P.O. box. I give you my address and everybody know where I live. I don't think it really matters. This is where they put out fires. This is where they come to. Look at that ocean. Nice, huh? I don't know if you can see it or not. I think you can. Why am I seeing everything behind me? This isn't possible to be seeing me now. How did it flip? That's just my reflection. This is the first night they have not painted the whole sky. I thought that they did it. By the way, they want to put the Hawaiians in a one of those 5, apartment building type thing. Today I was just down in the city of one of the 15-minute cities, and seriously, 15 minutes to get from one end to the other by electric bike, and I couldn't believe it. I was really surprised. $60,000 for an apartment. I could not live like this. This is heaven. For all of you that are freezing and sending you some sunshine, there's something on the other side of that mountain. Oh, there it is. There's Noah's Ark, only it looks like they're mining it. That's right. You can hear my stuff in the background.